Hi everybody, Craig, WJ6F. In this video I'm going to show you a great way to make a go bag out of a DDT bag instead of carrying around this heavy thing. We'll get started right after this. Welcome to or back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. This is the Anti-Venom 24-hour assault pack by DDT. This is a veteran-owned company. Some of the features are number 10 lockable zippers, compression straps, adjustable sternum and waist straps, MOLLE webbing for attachments, carry handle on the top. You can carry a 2-liter hydration pack in there. It's made with 1000D nylon with PU water-resistant lining. The dimensions are 17 inches by 12 inches by 10 inches. When fully filled out. Let's take a look inside. These bags don't look like they're all that big, but they hold quite a bit of stuff. Have plenty of compression straps, 2 on each side plus the main one in the center. You have 4 individual compartments. The small one here I have pins, PowerWorks meter, power distribution, and a pigtail to go from the radio to the tuner. Test light. Here we have the microphone for the FT-891, notepad, I'm stringing a tennis ball to get things up in trees. Carries the MFJ 1982 medium power antenna. I'll be doing a video on this shortly. Chameleon EMCOMM III. And then MFJ-902B Travel Tuner. If you haven't seen that video yet, just look up in the upper right hand corner and there'll be a link to that video. The main compartment clams all the way open, which is great for easy access. The Coax, Yaesu FT-891, and the Bioenno battery 20 amp hour. It's quite a bit of stuff for this little bag. But if that's not enough of a bag, and you really want to go all out, and it's already getting a little on the heavy side, but mind you, you're carrying it on your back and not lugging it around by a handle. DDT does make what is called the Venom 48-hour assault pack. This one's even larger. This one's measurements 21 inch by 12 inch by 10 inch. This holds quite a bit. You could get all this HF gear plus 2m 440. And both the bags, if you feel like being a complete tactical Ted, they do come with a holster attachment. These are just 2 of the bags that this company sells. They have many. They have rifle bags, range bags. They have more of a urban, less tactical looking bag. I've been using the smaller one for about 1.5 years now, and the bigger one for about 2.5 years, and I haven't had any problems with them. Everything works. You can throw them around. They can take a beating. This is everything that I had in the bag. I could have gotten a little more in and stuffed it to the gills, but decided not to. I wanted to be practical. This is something I would carry around. I'll put a link in the description as to where you can buy these bags from DDT. Some of the sporting goods stores will have them, and I've also seen them at many of the different gun shows. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, and check out some of these other videos.